Something new and exciting for this channel. Now we're going to branch out into RC exploration. Specifically, I am building a semi-autonomous screw-driven RC rover, which I'll be able to control over the internet with a 4G connection. The translation, instead of having to drive it with a straight line of sight radio signal like any other RC, in theory, I could be 100 kilometers away, 200, 300, and still driving around. And the reason I chose a drivetrain specifically is, well, first of all, I find it very fascinating. But the second and most important reason is that I want to make this thing amphibious. Yeah, we're definitely biting off more than we could chew with this one. As for the semi-autonomous part, as you can imagine, driving an RC over the internet with lag and dips in data rate can cause problems, and sometimes the video feed might not even work at all. This thing's not going to have any sensors on it, so it's not going to be able to avoid obstacles on its own, but having the ability to tell it, okay, travel 40 meters in this direction, turn left, and then travel 20 meters in this direction, just a super simple waypoint mission, will help with that issue a lot. And the whole idea of this thing is to do multi-day missions, basically leave it out unattended for days, weeks, potentially even months at a time, and so it needs to be able to charge itself, hence the 40-watt solar panel that you see stuck on the top of it. This whole project is inspired by a similar one that I found called Solarboi by a YouTube channel called What Up TK here. I highly recommend going and watching that entire series. I'll link it down below. It's super fascinating, and it'll give you a very strong idea of what I'm looking to accomplish with this project. My project is also going to be a little bit bigger. From end to end, it's roughly in the neighborhood of 65 centimeters or in the neighborhood of 26 inches. You can see my 3D model here where I have all of the parts and it's almost print ready. All of my experience building anything comes from the electric skateboard side of things, and so I'm leveraging that by designing this thing to use a belt drive system specifically to flip-ski motors with 148 kV. All of the 3D printed parts, including the tread arms and the tread itself, will be printed in PETG. Due to size constraints with my 3D printer, the tread itself will be split into two separate pieces and joined together using 4 steel retention pins and a little bit of glue. And to get a rough idea of the tank tread size, here's a prototype piece that I printed off. The tread system will be fitted with 694ZZ bearings, and this whole assembly will rotate around a 4mm by 500mm steel rod. The main body itself, which I'll just refer to as the deck, is just a 2x8 plank of wood. I still have to figure out the brain box enclosure, but it'll probably just use a waterproof hard case of some variety. As far as controlling it, this is where things get a little bit fuzzy because I have no experience with Raspberry Pis or Pixhawks, but this is my basic understanding of what I'll need for control. Raspberry Pi 02W as the main control unit for connecting to the VPN and broadcasting the video feed. A Pixhawk for the autonomous waypoint feature. I'll need a pair of VESCs to drive both motors. I'll need a camera, obviously, and right now I'm just leaning in favor of like a cheap webcam that I find at the thrift store for like $5-10 bucks just to get up and running, and then at one point I'll probably upgrade to a fisheye Raspberry Pi camera. And a 40-watt flexible solar panel on top. You know, over the years I've accumulated so many electric skateboard batteries that I'm just going to use one of those. I still have some stuff to figure out there, but let me know if any of that sounds incorrect to you, for those of you who are a little bit more experienced with this stuff. We're going to build this thing in phases. The first objective is to just get basic radio control working before we start layering any of the other features, especially considering this is my first RC project of any kind. And yeah, the goal is to eventually get it to the point where it can be left somewhere, and then over the course of days, weeks, months, drive around and explore from the RC's perspective. Much like TK did with his Solarboi project, it'll be a lot of fun live streaming the missions of driving this thing around. This is definitely a long-term project, but I think it'll be a lot of fun and make for really great content in addition to everything else that I do. So I hope you'll stick around and watch this project unfold. I'm already starting to 3D print test parts for fitment checks and such, and the first step is to try and get the body built out. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys want to see more RC content in the context of adventuring and exploring around with them? If you're new to the channel, I'm all about unconventional electric adventuring, including biting off way more than I could chew with a ridiculous RC project. So make sure you subscribe if you're into that shit.